Hi Capricorn, welcome to your tarot reading. This is a timeless reading, and it's for anyone with Capricorn, the zodiac sign Capricorn, in Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising. And if you are a cross watcher, you are also welcome here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you had, thank you so much for supporting me, and thanks for the donations. More info on personal readings is in the description. Yeah, thanks for joining me while I channel your energy and see what's going on. I hope you find this helpful, Capricorn. So let's see, Capricorn. So first we have Ace of Cups, and then we have the Ten of Clubs in reverse, and then we have the Six of Swords, and then we have Temperance in reverse, and then we have Five of Clubs in reverse, and then we have we have the Chariot and the Hanged Man. Maybe okay. And then we have the Knights of Swords in reverse, and then we have Seven of Cups in reverse, and then we have Nine of Coins. So this is what your energy is looking like, Capricorn. So you so you have your first tarot card, Ace of Cups. So at the moment, you have a new connection or friendship. Or maybe you have a change of heart. And then the Ten of Clubs, well, you're not feeling burdened at all. You might feel like a weight's been lifted, and you're not feeling as defensive about something. And then in the past, you had Six of Swords. So in the past, you had to move on. Maybe you had to move on with a burden. Maybe you moved on because you were feeling burdened, or you carried your burdens with you. But it seems like with the Ten of Clubs, you don't feel burdened at the moment. So there's also Temperance. There's Temperance in reverse. So a lot of people like think this is like the patience card, but for me it's more like keeping. Okay, so in the past there was something you didn't keep to yourself, with this temperance in reverse. So maybe you didn't keep something to yourself, you revealed something, and this is this this was how you could let go of a burden. So yeah, so you were keeping truth to yourself, trying to deal with something that was heavy on your heart by yourself, but then you confided in somebody, and it helped you resolve some of your emotions. Well, yeah, at the moment your emotions feel resolved. So in the future, 5 of clubs in reverse. So let's see, it's with the Chariot. So I think you're not going to be competing with anybody, Capricorn. Maybe you're going to, what's in reverse? In reverse. So maybe you'll see things from other people's perspective, and that's going to help you make a choice. I don't know what that choice is yet. It might be a good choice, might be a bad choice. Okay, so the Hangman, at the moment you at the moment you're seeing things other people's way. You're not just you know, you're kind of like letting other people be the devil's advocate. Also, you've had to stop being as defensive. So this was the King of Swords in reverse. Maybe whatever you had to bottle up inside, whatever this burden was, this problem that was making you feel defensive, at the moment you're not as defensive anymore with the King of Swords in reverse. And your inner emotions is the 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups was in reverse. I hope so. I think it was in reverse. Yeah, so you're letting go of your inner demons, like all of yeah, you feel like you're not conflicted anymore, because you probably used to be conflicted. And then your final outcome seems 9 of Coins. Yeah, because you could let go, and because you're going to be seeing things from other people's perspective, it's going to help you to maybe it's going to make you a more what's that word I'm looking for? Whenever I'm doing this, I forget my words. But I forgot the word now. You know, like when you get along with people, Yeah, so you're probably gonna get along with people, and that's gonna open up opportunities for you. Let's see, Ace of Cups. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, so this change of heart is also changing things for you, because you know sometimes when you don't move on, it's like even your life doesn't move on because you're like looking at every opportunity with suspicion. So yeah, so what's the 10 of clubs in reverse? The 5 of swords. So you this burden that you had, you decided to let go of it, forget about it, and you were the victor because they were basically whatever the situation was, it was just it was hurting you on the inside, and letting go of it is helping you to yeah, it's helping you, you're overcoming it. And yeah, it was like poison for you. So what's the 6 of swords? You have the Queen of Coins. I wonder what that means. Queen of Coins. Maybe it has something to do with someone else. Maybe it's someone that you felt was untouchable, or someone that you felt did so much for you, and that's what made it a burden. I don't know. Let's see. You have the Page of Coins. Let's see more. What's the Page of Coins? Ace of Coins. Maybe someone taken away an opportunity from you. Maybe you felt like this, you relied on this person with the Page of Coins, and they were in a better position than you, and you needed them, and now you have Ace of Coins. So Queen reverse. Maybe they took away whatever they were helping you with or giving to you. In any case, let's see what's the Temperance. 5 of Cups. So you spilled some truth on the situation with this Temperance in reverse. You stopped keeping things to yourself. And so now the 5 of Cups, it made you lose some friends. You lost some friends. You were still trying to keep onto some friends, but they weren't really your friends. They didn't really have anything for you, anything to give. But now you have new, at least you whatever's going on, you're having a new start with the Wheel of Fortune. So what's the Chariot? Now let's start with the 5 of Clubs. What's the 5 of Clubs? The Fool in reverse. The Fool in reverse. Yeah, so you take you're seeing other people's perspective on things a little bit more. You're going to be starting to trust people a little more, with the Five of Clubs in reverse. But also, you're not going to be jumping into things, you know. You're still a little bit careful around people. So, what's the Chariot? So, Chariot, we have the High Priestess, and then we have the Four of Clubs. So, you're not just going to jump into things, but you're going to make a decision, probably the right decision, because this High Priestess, the knowledge isn't hidden. So you are going to be making decisions based on information, on solid information, and that's going to get you to this place where you can finally start the life you want, whatever that means for you. You'll finally be celebrating, but you'll also be secure with the clubs, and you'll have your home. There'll be sunshine, you know. Yeah. So what's the Hanged Man for Capricorn? The Hermit in reverse. Yeah, so you're so you're not alone and just like in the dark anymore. But you're also seeing yourself. What's the King of, let's see, what's the Hermit? So the Page of Clubs in reverse. Yeah, and you're not just sitting around as well. You're like arming yourself with some information. So what's King of Swords in reverse? The Eight of Clubs in reverse. Yeah, so things aren't, you don't feel as attacked by this person, the King of Swords, in reverse. Yeah. At the moment. So what's this Seven of Clubs? You have the Four of Cups. Yeah. So but I was saying that you don't feel so conflicted here. And also you're accepting outside help. Yeah, so you're willing to accept other people's help, other people's perspective, insight, support from other people as well, with the Four of Cups. What's the Four of Cups? The Knight of Cups. Yeah. And so friendships are coming, connections are coming in. You feel like you're getting more support. Sorry. So let's see, what's the Nine of Coins for your final outcome? The Devil. Nine of Coins, the Devil. I don't know, you might make this is your final outcome. It doesn't always have to do with the situation, but it might just be like, you know, yeah, sometime in the future while this is going on, you might be tempted to do something to make money, to get all these opportunities with the 9 of coins. So all these opportunities, who knows? Let's see what's the devil. The 2 of clubs in reverse. Lack of stability, or it's not a it might be that these opportunities that will bring in all this money that's coming in, it's not going to be a solid offer, or not going to be a like a sustainable with the 2 of clubs. It's not going to be sustainable. So just keep in mind in the future. And you guys, the future, sometimes the future happens like the next day or an hour from now. I remember I saw a reading for myself on YouTube, and the tarot reader was saying someone's coming in the future, and I met that person that same that same day, but obviously I was caught off guard, and exactly didn't work out because I was caught off guard. So you never know. Just be careful about any offers that are too good to be true, even if they happen like today. So Capricorn, that was. Let me see what else. Let me just do this one. Let me do your oracle card just to give you a better idea. Give you some better idea. Something. So this offer might be too good to be true, and with the swords, 10 of swords at the bottom. It might be that same person trying to get back at you for speaking up about something. Okay, so let's see the past for Capricorn. Feeling, I guess you were feeling like shit in the past. What's more in the past? You felt like it was too late, but it wasn't too late to, speak up about something. So let's see what's the present. I'm living in the moment. Yep, living in the moment. In the present. Bumping heads at the moment. Bumping heads. You have clarity. You're not confused. Sorry. What's the future? My way. yeah, things might go your way. Just be careful. Um, what's closing the cycle? Yeah, you're gonna be closing this bad cycle in the future. Let's see what you're going through right now. Losing sleep. See, yeah, right now you might feel like you're losing sleep, but maybe you're worried about this person that you spoke up against. Yeah. So the environment. Okay, family. This might have to do with your family. Maybe you're worried, I don't know, you're worried about your family or something. No strings. Maybe you're feeling yeah, so the you feel like you having like you have good friends at the moment. What's this in the final outcome? Oh, so blocked in reverse, spam, call, text in reverse. Maybe someone's in your block list or something, and someone might reach out to you that you haven't been speaking to in a while. Fake busy. It might be a fake business or something that they want to let you, yeah. Okay, so Capricorn, that was all from me. I hope you found these readings helpful, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.